Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 2009 Acura MDX. First thing you're going to want to do is remove your oil cap. The oil is going to be 5W20. I'm going to put in 5 quarts, got the cone and everything ready to go. I've got 5 quarts of Mobil 1 5W20 full synthetic and a Fram Oil Filter. All you're going to need for this job is a 17mm socket wrench. So let's go ahead and drain it and refill it, and I can usually do this job, the whole thing, in less than 5 minutes, replacing the oil filter and everything. Alright, first thing you'll want to do is locate the oil drain plug, which is right on the bottom side of the oil pan, right there. So we're going to go ahead and take that off, and then your oil filter is tucked up here under the wheel well. So we'll go ahead and remove both of those. Filter is up here, so get it loose in. Spin that off. Get the new one on. And spin that off. Once the oil's drained out of it. And we can put the drain plug back in on the oil pan. And then just clean the area of any leftover oil. Alright, and the last thing we're going to do is put the oil in. And we'll snug down the cap. And that's it. Kind of the last thing you want to do right there on the top of that engine cover is you want to pull your dipstick and wipe it to make sure it's clean. And just make sure you've got enough oil. So put it back down in there, pull it out, see where the fill level is reading, and it's reading perfect, topped off there. Alright, and one last thing after you get the oil put in and all filled up and check the fluid level with the dipstick, you just want to look underneath on your drain plug to just ensure that there's no oil leaking and that crush washer has created a good seal, which it has, and you're safe and good to go. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.